Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven and welcome to my Pink Candy Christmas house tour. So I love to do a fun theme for my Christmas decorations every year, and this year's theme is a mix of pink glam girly and Candyland gingerbread. Last year I did a gingerbread theme inside, so this year I did the gingerbread theme outside, and I decorated my whole front yard and the outside of my house in a Candyland sweet gingerbread type of theme. We have cookies, candy canes, lollipops, all types of stuff out here. Most of it is DIY, so if you haven't seen my previous video, definitely check that out to see where I got everything from, how I made all the DIYs, and how I came up with all the ideas. We have candy cane plants growing out of the plant beds. We have candy growing on my trees. We've got a candy cane lane pathway. I even have giant cookies attached to my house that I made myself. And of course, we have gingerbread men. Basically, I just wanted my house to look like a real live gingerbread house. For my front gate area, obviously you can see here we have the icing and the candies. This is a DIY that I used inside last year, but repurposing it outside this year. You go through the front gate. We have the giant lollipops, giant candy canes, and my gingerbread cookie trees. Those are all DIYs repurposed from last year, as well as my candy pathway decorations on either side. These are supposed to look like gumballs and gumdrops. And they're just made out of bouncy balls, buckets, and insulation foam. I have my candy wreath here on the front door because of course it goes with the theme out here. This came with all of the red candies on it, but I added the other candies on myself. And I have another piece of icing with candies on it framing the top of the front door. And then you walk inside. So the first thing you see when you walk into my house, of course, is my entryway with my stairs, console table, and one of the Christmas trees behind me. So I have flocked garland on my stairs. Each piece of garland is attached one by one. These are like, I guess, 6 to 8 foot pieces, and they are not pre-lit, so the lights are separate, wrapped around the garland, and then I added the ribbon this time to give it that pink touch to go with the pink theme. It's like little glitter snowflakes on the ribbon, wrapped around, going all the way up the railing of the stairs, all the way up. I also have this console table and this mirror set up here, so I took all my normal decorations off and replaced it with Christmas theme, of course. We have a couple of nutcrackers. This guy isn't painted yet. I'm gonna let Ziya paint him. A little bottle brush tree, this little Merry Christmas sign. This is a custom nutcracker that I spray painted pink with gold glitter on top. This gold glitter Christmas tree that I had before, and its matching larger version down here. So this is like introducing you to the pink and gold theme as you walk into the house. Then as you walk further into the entryway, we have this table here, which normally I just have like some decorative vases and whatnot. Took all that down, replaced it with my flocked 6-foot tree that I always put up here. And this tree's theme is fun, cutesy, novelty pink ornaments. So I went to every store you could think of and I bought every single pink ornament that they had pretty much. So we have a mix of things from animals to shoes to sweets to just random things like birds and pigs and snowflakes. It's really random, but it all goes together because because of the color scheme, and a lot of them are really glittery and girly. So this tree was very inspired by Ziya because this is just very Ziya. And then at the very top of the tree, we have donuts, these little cute sprinkled donut picks, just to kind of add to the pink sweet theme that we have going on with some of the ornaments. 4 picks, and then a big glitter butterfly as the tree topper. For the tree skirt, I had to custom dye this tree skirt because I could not find the perfect shade of pink. If you guys didn't see my other video, go check that out to see the chaotic process of doing that, but it turned out really cute. The baby pink color matches perfectly. I did also add a little bit of stuffing right here to cover up the base of the tree that's supposed to look like snow. I get a lot of questions about these trees in particular. I think I got them from Hobby Lobby, but it's been a couple of years now, so I don't know for sure. But it was either Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something like that. They did come pre-flocked, but I added some extra flocking this year just to give it that extra snowy effect. And I just added these little velvet bows, which I got from Hobby Lobby this year. And then when you walk through the archway into the living room, of course we have 3 stockings for myself, Ziya, and Bougie gets a stocking as well. My stocking I customized by adding these rhinestones to it because it was a little bit plain in comparison to these other ones. Ziya's stocking is a cute sequined mermaid. I got this from Walmart, and Bougie's stocking matches ours perfectly. And then above the TV, I have a wreath that I added some matching pink ornaments to just to tie it into the theme. Everything needs to have something pink on it. And then I have 2 more of these skinny trees over here. Again, same kind of deal. I added the extra flocking to them. I put the snow at the bottom, and these have slightly different bows. This is the same ribbon from the stairs that I made into my own little bows to kind of match the other ones, but kind of do something a little bit different with the glitter ribbon. Then when you walk over here, I have this console table. Once again, kind of just switched out a lot of my everyday stuff for Christmas themed stuff instead. Of course, going with the pink and gold theme. So I have a pink bottle brush tree, a gold bottle brush tree, this super cute Nutcracker that I got from At Home, and it actually came like this. He's a dark-skinned pink Nutcracker, couldn't be more perfect, and it's even bedazzled a little bit, so I definitely had to get that. Another little tree, and then I also have a little mini tree here, which we've decorated with pink and gold and white ornaments, and then another little mini tree. I have a million of these. For the coffee table couch area, I added another one of these little mini trees, the same little mini ornaments from Walmart, another wooden Nutcracker. These are from Michael's, by the way. And then I had this little snowflake table runner. This is actually from Dollar Tree. And I just added some of my holiday themed throw pillows. I didn't have any pink ones, but they're neutral, so I feel like it still matches. Just some beaded snowflakes and beaded Christmas trees. And now for 2 of the biggest features of the house, the custom Nutcracker and the main 12-foot tree. Starting with the Nutcracker, if you know, you know. If you don't know, let me tell you. This was a labor of love. First of all, just even getting my hands on this thing was a whole bunch of hoopla. Watch my previous video if you don't know about it. And then I completely customized and repainted it. This used to have white skin, red jacket, green pants. It was a totally different theme. I added all the glitter rhinestones, changed his skin tone, changed his outfit, gave him some razzle dazzle. So now he is a yassified pink Nutcracker to go with the theme, and I think he turned out really cute. I'm personally really happy with how this turned out. might not be everyone's thing, but I worked really hard on it, so be nice to me. The 12-foot tree is from At Home. I got it years ago for a really good price. But I love this 12-foot tree because it fits this room perfectly. I have such high ceilings in here. Any other tree just wouldn't really cut it. The only thing is, it takes a lot of ornaments to decorate a tree of this size. So I went crazy this year trying to find as many pink ornaments as I could find, which I didn't know they're kind of rare. So I had to go to so many different stores, but I ended up finding a good mix of different textures and styles of pink ornaments. And I went ahead and added in some white ornaments to kind of like fill it in. I'm using my same white fluffy tree skirt that I always use. I guess I could have custom dyed another tree skirt for this one, but I didn't think about it. I think the white looks nice because it kind of goes with the white ornaments. We don't have any presents yet, but fingers crossed I can find the right wrapping paper to match my theme for Christmas morning. As for the decorations in my kitchen, I just kept it simple this year because I worked so hard outside and on everything else. I just have a few bottle brush trees as my little centerpiece on my table. Again, a lot of these are like from Target, Hobby Lobby. You know, we have the pink mixed in to go with the theme. And then I had 2 more of these pink bottle brush trees, so I just decided to put them right here by the sink. And then the last thing that I have in the kitchen is just my little Christmas tree drink dispenser, which I just have sitting out getting ready for my big annual Christmas party that we're getting ready to plan for. That's actually going to be my next video. So this is just layer 1. We have stuff that we're gonna add for the party, so definitely stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I hope you guys were inspired by my pink Candyland gingerbread glam Christmas tour, and stay tuned to see what else I have planned.